Good evening. I would like to demonstrate a division problem solving it 3 ways. So let's get started with our math problem for this evening, which is 98 divided by 7, which equals 14. Okay, and so we're going to start with the first one, which is division base 10. Okay. All right, division base 10. So 98 divided by 7 will come down here and will represent the 9 tens that we have there. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, then there are 8 ones. So we're going to represent those 8 ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, I'm going to come below it and we want to draw a box and we're going to divide it, or make sure we have 7 boxes here because we're dividing by 7. So we want to have 7 boxes here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's not the best looking boxes there, but I think it will serve its purpose. All right, so first things first, we have 7 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're going to go up here to our tens, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to cross out 7 tens here, and we're going to come down and we're going to place those 1 10 in each box. Okay, all right. Now we need 4 ones in each box. So as you can see here, I have a set of 4s here I can put in this first box. Okay, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have a second set of 4s, and I'll put that in the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need more ones, of course, and so we have 2 tens sitting here that we're going to break down into our ones. So we'll just go over here and we're going to break those tens down into 10 ones. So our first set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have our 10 and 10 ones, and we can just cross that out because we're done with that. Okay, all right. So we're going to go up here, and I am going to take 4 away from here, and then I'm going to come down and put 4 in the box. Okay, and I'll just continue to do that. Take 4 more, come down and put those in the box. Then I'll take 4 more. Let's just take these here. Okay, and then take 4 more, put them in the box. Everything needs to be accounted for. And then we have our last 4 ones, and we'll put them in this last box. Okay, so now, so as we counted here, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's what's in each of these boxes broken down. So that tells us that 98 divided by 7 equals 14. They have been divided 7 ways here, 14 in each box, so it equals out. And so Answer is 14. 98 divided by 7 equals 14. All right, so let's move on to our next one. Next one is partial quotient. And so let's just write that up there, partial. That's just terrible. Okay, quotient. These things never write good, but anyway, partial quotient, and we're still working with 98 divided by 7. Okay, all right, now, so we just simply, we'll come down here, we'll put our 7 and divide it by 98. Now the way we do this is that we want to take 10 away from this 98, or we want to take 10. And so what we're doing is we're saying 7 times the 10 here. 7 times the 10 here is 70. So we're going to, excuse me, put a 70 underneath there, and we're going to subtract it. And of course, we get our 8, and we get our 2 here. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2, so that's 28. Now, we want to take 4 from that, okay? And so then that's going to be 7 times the 4 is 28. And of course, we subtract that, and we have 0. So we look here and we add those, and we get 14. So again, 98 divided by 7 equals 14. That was easy enough. Partial quotient. I like this one as well. I like that. All right, and our last one, of course, is our algorithm. So our algorithm, that's just terrible. Okay, algorithm, and of course, again, 98 divided by 7. Okay, and this is just straight shot here. 7 divided by 98. Excuse me. So then it'd be 7 into 9 will go 1 times. 7 times 1 is 7. We'll subtract, and we'll have 2 there, and we'll drop the 8 down. There's 0 ones there. So it's 28, and then 7 into 28 will go 4 times. 7 times 4 is 28. And that would be 0, and of course our answer is 14. All right, those are our 3 ways to solve the division problem 98 divided by 7. Thank you so much for your time.